So whether you knew it or not, you have essentially less than a second for someone to make a decision whether they want to wait for your site to load or not. So this element of the page speed increasing was pivotal to send, if you're doing some kind of search on Google, to send Google positive signal to their algorithm to rank your site number one from an SEO standpoint, but also just from a user experience of people bouncing from the site. If you're sending them from like any kind of organic or paid traffic, load speed is critical. You want to allow people to see the headline, the call to action, the video like above the fold so that they can decide, do I want to keep scrolling down? So if your site isn't loading quickly, I mean, you're dead before they even get to see any of the copy or images or video on your page, right? So that was one of the most important things I know for them to fix. There's a lot of features we'll get into that are major systemic categorical platforms, things that they've updated, but they've always, I think every funnel hacking live, when they're giving the State of the Union, they've stressed we're making it faster, we're making it faster. But that was probably the first thing that they wanted to make sure that they did, because they know, the attention span of a goldfish is 8 seconds. The attention span of a human is 7 seconds. When it comes to loading of your site, it's probably 1 second, right? So you really need to make sure that you're solving that problem quickly so that people can even get to a point where they're reading your copy or looking at your images, watching your video, etc.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm very excited. I mean, it's not just for the user when they're loading the page, but also when you're building the page and clicking on things in the back end, you want to load fast, right? I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've been on a platform that you're trying to build something and just loading forever. You upload a picture, you just wait forever. It slows you down. So I'm very happy about the page speed stuff.